Disclaimer: this is a workaround after researching solutions suggested on the internet. The software used in the example is Tax Act free version. The numbers are created for illustration. You need to do your own diligence and consult your tax advisor to determine how you should file. As a general rule, gains and losses for a typical ETF are reported on Form 1099-B. There are some ETFs structured as partnerships will issue a K-1 Form 1065. When you purchase partnership ETF, brokers 1099-B will report gain or loss of your investment. Schedule K-1 issued by the partnership will report gain or loss as well. Both 1099-B and Schedule K-1 are required to be filed. After you complete both, you need to adjust the tax basis in 1099-B to avoid duplication of reporting capital gain or loss on the ETF. This is a workaround I summarized here for your reference. I use Tax Act to demonstrate step by step. You need to consult your tax advisor for your own actions. Fill up exactly what shows in 1099-B, including gain or loss for partnership ETFs. In 1099-B, broker will have a box A, basis reported to IRS, box B, basis not reported to IRS, and box C. Some detailed information of box B and box C not in 1099-B will be provided in 8949 by your broker. You can upload 8949 with every transaction to the tax software, or you can enter total for each category, box A, box B, or box C. Here are some screens in Tax Act for box A total. You also need to answer some questions in between. After you completed all box A, B, or C, you reported gain or loss for your investment for partnership ETF at this step. The gain or loss may not tie to your investment gain or loss. Gain or loss of 1099-B is the difference between your proceeds and cost basis. Gain or loss of Schedule K-1 is the partnership gain or loss passing to you based on your shares and holding period, because during this period you are the passive partner. These two are different concepts. Most of the time, the amounts are close, but it is possible that your investment is a loss, but you will have to report gain in Schedule K-1. Look at the Schedule K-1. The left side has A to M, plus right side top two boxes, Final K-1 and Amended K-1. The right side has boxes 1 to 20. This information helps you to answer the questions through Tax Act. When you see this screen, click Yes to fill up left side of Schedule K-1. When you see this screen, click check marks to all the boxes you have amounts in Schedule K-1 and follow to enter the amounts in next pages. When you finish, choose All Investment is at Risk and finish the remaining questions. Now you report a gain or loss that partnership passed to you at this step. After step 1 and 2, you reported twice gain or loss through 1099-B and Schedule K-1. Check Schedule K-1 first to understand some concepts. Left side, the current increase 138. Right side, 92 plus 48 minus 2 equals 138. Final pages of Schedule K-1. Column titled Cumulative Adjustment to Tax Basis. Add all the numbers, you will get a total of 138. This tax basis you need to do the adjustment in 1099-B. Since this is a positive 138, you need to subtract 138 in 1099-B because you have already reported 138 gain in Schedule K-1. If Schedule K-1 cumulative adjustment to tax basis total is negative, a loss, you add the amount back to 1099-B. If you want to avoid Schedule K-1, you need to know which ETF has partnership in nature. When you Google list of ETFs that issue K-1, you will see quite a long list. Just to name a few popular partnerships nature ETFs that will issue Schedule K-1.